Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this recreated, inspired lemon lime look from Brianna Fox. It's bright, it's beautiful, it's neon. I did do the glitter in a different spot than her, and I did no liner and lashes on the bottom, but it's still very close to hers. So as always, we're always going to prime our lids, and as a secondary base I'm using NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm going to blend that out. And now we're going to be taking the BYS eyeshadow palette in the neon shade. This was $2 at the Family Dollar. Can you guys believe it? The green and the yellow in this palette are out of this world. We're going to be taking that lime neon color, and we're going to be placing that in the inner corner and the outer corner, and we're going to kind of do like that halo effect. So we're going to bring it into the crease as well, leaving the middle space on our lid blank. This look is super easy to achieve, very minimal steps, very little blending as well, because you want the middle spotlighted. And I just continue to pat the color on there in the shape that I want. Now next we're going to be picking up that beautiful lemon neon shade there, and we're going to be applying that on the center of the lid. This does take a minute to build up, and we're going to continue to pat that on the lid and build it up, blend a little bit with the green. And we're going to blend the crease area a bit with this super fluffy blending brush. It's super soft. I love these brushes from AIRY Studio. It's all about the eyes. And I'm picking up a little bit of that green to help further soften the edges of the look, and just blending that out as well. We're going to be taking LaColors matte eyeshadow in French Vanilla as our highlight. And this look is all matte, and then we'll add that beautiful glitter to it. So we're taking that NYX pencil again, we're applying that to our lower waterline and our lower lash line there, and I'm just going to blend that out. We're going to be placing color on top of it. We're going to start with the yellow, and we're going to put that in the waterline itself. Now if you've never placed shadow in your waterline, this may burn a bit when you get shadow in your eye, but the sensation will go away. So we're going to be taking the green and doing the inner and the outer corner as well, and leaving the middle blank just like on the upper eye area. And we're going to pop that neon yellow in the middle there, and we're going to blend them a bit. Of course we're using our Milani Stay Put eyeliner in the upper waterline, and I'm going to use the AIRY Studio liquid eyeliner to just do a very thin kind of line against the top lashes. And we're using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara, and I do like this mascara. It does a good job at giving volume and lengthening too. And now we're on to glitter. We're going to be using the glitter primer from e.l.f., and we're going to use this Sally Girl Sparkle Effects glitter. I think it's called like Limelight or something lime anyways. It's a super neon glitter. I don't even know if they have it anymore. And I'm just using another one of those AIRY Studio brushes to apply it to the inner corner. Now she did it on top of the green shades. I decided to do a little bit different. I really liked how it came out in the inner corner. It's beautiful. This look is perfect for summer. If you're more daring and you want to wear the neon colors, go for it. This is beautiful. And the lip I use is a nude lip, and it's from Rimmel, and it's number 70 Airy Fairy. Unfortunately this one is discontinued, but you can still pick up very similar shades in their line. But that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, and stay tuned for more inspired and recreative videos.